Karnataka Congress government launches direct benefit transfer under Bhagya scheme in Vidhana Soudha in Bengaluru yesterday. Chief Minister of Karnataka Siddaramaya, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, Minister for Food and Supplies K.H. Muniappa, Chief Whip Government of Karnataka Salim Ahmed, Transport Minister Ramalinga Reddy and other government officials were present too. Beneficiaries received direct benefit transfer of 170 rupees under the Anna Bhagya scheme launched yesterday. Siddaramaya at the launch said 4.42 crore people approximately below poverty line will benefit from this scheme. Siddaramaya also said Congress party is confident to implement all the 5 guarantees assured to people of Karnataka in the Congress manifesto prior to Karnataka Assembly elections 2023. He said after Congress came into power in the first cabinet meeting, decision was already made to go through with the guarantees. Second cabinet meeting was about how to implement it. Anna Bhagya scheme was supposed to be launched in July and all efforts were made to provide rice to people below poverty line. Since agencies quoted higher price, Congress government will do direct benefit transfer of 170 rupees per person for the additional 5 kg promised to beneficiaries below poverty line in the state of Karnataka. From 10th of July, direct benefit transfer will continue until Congress government will be able to procure rice.
We have all the confidence of implementing all the 5 guarantees. The Congress party, Congress party has got all the confidences to implement all the 5 guarantees promised by it. So after we came to power, in the first cabinet meeting itself, we have taken a decision to implement all the 5 guarantees. In the second cabinet, we have taken a decision when these guarantees will be implemented, how they will be implemented. So we have decided that the Annabhagya program will be implemented from in the month of July. We tried our level best to procure the rice in the market or in the from all the states where paddy growing states, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra. In all these states we have tried, but we could not get the promises from the states. And we have called the quotations from the central agencies, 3 central agencies, NCCF, NAFED, and Kendriya Bandar. But they have quoted higher price. So which we are. So since rice is procured by the public or by the other state, we have decided to give money to the beneficiaries. So 5 kgs we have promised, 34 rupees per kg, that is FCI rate. So it comes to about 170 rupees per person. Today we have promised it will be coming to force in the month of July 2023. That is why I told the media people that it will come into effect from 10th of July. Today is 10th. Today we are giving money to the beneficiaries directly through DBT. But they have quoted higher price. So which we are. So since rice is procured by the public or by the other state, we have decided to give money to the beneficiaries. So 5 kgs we have promised, 34 rupees per kg, that is FCI rate. So it comes to about 170 rupees per person. Today We have promised it will be coming to force in the month of July 2023. That is why I told the media people that it will come into effect from 10th of July. Today is 10th. Today we are, giving money to the beneficiaries directly
You said we
through
already talked.
DBT system
How long will this cash transfer continue?
till we get the raise.
Right.
And what about leakages? In case there are people who claim it, what are safeguards for such misuse of money?
Huh?
If the misuse of the money, sir, how you
What are
safeguard
safeguards
it?
for misuse of
Benefiting to
money?
the
Don't worry about all those things.